Hey, this is Ram here, and I'm the developer of Presentify. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Presentify app with Keynote in full presentation mode. All right, so here I have the Keynote app open, and normally what you would do is you will just hit play, and it will show your slides in full presentation mode. So I have two slides here, slide one and slide two. Let's go to slide one. And now if you want to use Presentify on top of this, what you'll do is, as you can't see the top menu bar, so you can't directly go and click the app. So what you'll do is you'll use the key shortcuts, and that is Control and A by default. So if I press that, Control and A, Presentify turns up as you would expect, and you can annotate, but the Keynote app is gone. It's out of presentation mode. So what's happening here? And how can you use Presentify with Keynote then? So this issue started happening in the latest version of macOS. Like I've seen this happening from 14 onwards, if I'm not wrong. But anyway, if this is the case for with you, then how you can still use Presentify with Keynote. So I'm going to show you two ways. So slightly different than you would normally use Presentify, but not much. So as you can see, I have the Presentify app running on the top menu bar. So what I can do now is turn on Presentify first. And then, as you know, there's this feature of Presentify where you can interact with the underlying apps by pressing the FN key. So if I press the FN key, I can interact with Keynote. So if you can see, the play button is highlighted here. Press and hold the FN key, by the way. So now, yes, I have the Keynote in full presentation mode, and still I can annotate with Presentify. Yes, you can even use different tools, whichever you want. So it works as usual. And you can close the Presentify like this. Now, what if you want to change the slides? You saw that Presentify is turned on. You are able to annotate, but what if you want to change slides? For that, what you can do is you can just press and hold the FN key to interact with the underlying apps, and just press the left mouse button like so. And if you want to go to the previous slide, you can still keep pressing and holding the FN key, and click the right mouse button to go to the previous slide. All right, so this is one way. Let me escape, go out of the presentation mode. What's the other way? The other way is to use interactive mode. So it's slightly different than the normal mode. So now if you enable Presentify, the underlying app is still activated because the Presentify is kind of running in the background in interactive mode. So you can interact with all the other apps. And let me now turn on the presentation mode. Okay, so presentation mode is now turned on. I can go to the next slide, previous slide, still activated. Now, when I want to annotate with Presentify, what I can do is I can just press and hold the FN key and then annotate. Yeah. Same, if you want to interact with the toolbar, press and hold the FN key, change the tool, and then annotate as you would normally do. Yes. So that's the difference between interactive mode and the normal mode. So these are the two ways that with which you can use a Presentify app with Keynote. So the trick is to just start Presentify first and then interact with the Keynote with pressing the FN key, or you can use the interactive mode. All right, I hope this video helps. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.